To whom it may concern, in August of 2001, while working at Street Bar and watching the street being torn up, I thought what a wonderful opportunity to place a time capsule somewhere in the street to show what everyday life on Arenas Road in 2001 was like. I began collecting items from all businesses on this one block. The intent of this box was to show that life is good in Palm Springs in 2001. It was never meant to be a Palm Springs, California, US, or world time capsule, strictly for Arenas Road businesses and the people who use it. The time capsule was never intended to be political. However, in the course of collecting, the unthinkable tragedies of September 11th changed all Americans and the world and Arenas Road. In the box are newspapers, including our morning edition of the Desert Sun, September 11th, which didn't cover anything regarding the terrorist acts. I think this was important because it was our last day of a way of life that will probably never be the same. I hope at the time that this box is opened, that the decisions made today were correct and that the world once again is wonderful. Sincerely, Paul Danos, bartender, Street Bar.